Hello and welcome to FIVO BI Services. We're pleased to welcome you to our Python Made Easy series, where we break down the fundamental and foundational concepts of Python, as well as undergo an important use case that covers most of the areas when it comes to Python for data analytics. Firstly, what is Python? Python is a versatile, high-level, easy-to-use programming language that focuses on readability with a wide range of applications in areas like web development, software development, data science, and even automation. As a programming language, it holds immense power in these specialized fields as well as in everyday life. As I said before, its focus is on readability. It also has a serious focus on simplicity, making it very comfortable and accessible to even non-programmers. Python's use cases in everyday life spans across multiple areas. For example, automation and scripting, organizing files, sending out emails, scraping websites. All these processes that can seem repetitive can be automated using Python. Web development, Python's frameworks like Django and Flask can be used to develop websites from scratch. Software development, Python can also be used as a building block when it comes to developing software tools. Lastly, Python can also be a very important means when it comes to teaching programming language to beginners because of its readability and simplicity. Now, when it comes to data science and business intelligence, which is the focus of this series, Python is key. Taking a look at the process of data analytics, starting from the data collection step down to the reporting step, Python is critical in these steps and every step in between. Critical not in the sense that it must be used, but in the sense that when it is employed, it ensures the highest level. Now, going into the details, the data collection, which is widely accepted as the first step in data analytics, right? That step can be easily done using the beautiful soup library in Python and many other libraries, and that does it simply. It helps to collect data from web sources as well as even pandas. Pandas is important when it comes to data collection from local files like CSV, Excel, and data manipulation when it comes to transforming your data to a format that is ready for analysis. When it comes to analysis like machine learning, like regression, clustering, classification, a library like scikit in Python is important for that use, and it's easy and efficient. Now, data visualization, after that, it can be done using, there are two popular libraries, matplotlib and seaborn are two popular libraries that are used in Python for visualizations, important strategic enterprise level visualizations, a very wide range, honestly. And then when it comes to business intelligence integration, Python can facilitate connections to different data sources and also enable visualizations that can be then linked to BI tools and used for important reports and insights communication. So Python is a very important tool, and I can't wait to carry you along in this series whereby we enter into the full process of data analytics and also touch business intelligence a bit. We'll work with our data, we'll apply a machine learning model, and we'll review the results. We'll also do some visualizations along the way. So stay tuned as we venture into this process together.